mental hospital, 3 people thought that they are all right and they can go back to home to their regular life, went to the doctor and said, all 3 of us want to go back, we are okay. Doctor said, then perfectly all right, I am also happy that if you guys leave, tomorrow morning we will have a test, then after the test, we will decide who all can go back. Next day morning, the doctor called all 3 to a swimming pool and he told them to stand one by one on the diving board, told the first guy to jump into the swimming pool which was empty. And this guy saw this side and that side, jumped and broke the hands. The second guy came, he jumped and broke the legs. Third guy came, he saw this side and that side and said, I won't jump, doctor. Doctor said, oh right, now you are free, you can go back. You are normal guy, you can go back. Then doctor asked, I just want to know why you decided not to jump. I don't know swimming. Understand? Right decision, wrong reason. Right act, wrong reason. You miss the truth. If you learnt the yoga just for physical health, you can't relate with Patanjali. When you do yoga, physical health will happen as a side effect. When you do meditation, self-development will happen as side effect. But that is not the goal. If you are taking yoga just for health, if you are taking meditation just for self-development, you are not jumping because you don't know swimming. Understand, right action, wrong reason, you miss. Even you approach the spiritual knowledge to make you more intelligent, more intellectual, not even intelligent, more intellectual, to develop yourself. I have seen many people listen, read all these things just to show that they are some way higher than common people, just to have one more quote. Trying to read the spiritual philosophies for self-development or to become a good orator is doing the right act for wrong reason. Doing the right act for wrong reason also, you miss and miss. One more danger, doing the right act for the wrong reason. Nobody will be there even to advise you that you are doing something wrong, because you are not doing wrong. Only the reason is wrong. It is more dangerous than doing wrong. At least doing wrong, people will be there to tell you. If you are acquiring this knowledge, these words, I am only a utility for you to develop yourself or to go around and brag, I know this now, you know. Knowing more means little bigger head, little more heavy. If you are sitting here to know more, you are doing the right thing for wrong reason. You are not jumping into the swimming pool because you don't know swimming. Not that knowing that there is no water. If you are here, completely you are being opened. You are doing right act with the right reason.